Hey money hustlers, welcome back to the channel where we show you how to make money online without breaking a sweat. Today's video is all about lazy ways to make $100 or more per day online in 2025. Now, before you roll your eyes and think this is another get-rich-quick scheme, let me clarify something. When I say lazy, I don't mean zero effort. What I mean is finding opportunities that require minimal upfront work or time while still generating income consistently. Think of it as working smarter, not harder. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable ideas to start earning passive income streams right away. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's dive into these low-effort, high-reward methods. First up, one of my personal favorites, affiliate marketing. This method has been around for years but continues to thrive because it works. Here's the deal. Companies pay you commissions when someone buys their product through your unique referral link. And here's why it's perfect for lazy hustlers like us. 1. No inventory needed. You're not creating products, you're just promoting them. 2. Automated sales funnel. Once you set up content like blog posts, videos, or social media, it can generate sales 24/7. So how do you get started? Step 1. Choose a niche you're interested in. Anything from fitness to tech gadgets. Step 2, sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Step 3, create evergreen content. For example, write a detailed review of a popular product in your niche. Pro tip: use SEO strategies to rank your content higher on Google so people find it organically. Even if you only get a few sales a day, those small commissions add up fast. Next, let's talk about print-on-demand businesses. If you love designing cool stuff but hate dealing with inventory, shipping, or customer service, this is for you. Here's how it works. You create designs. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, using free tools like Canva. Then upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. These platforms handle everything else: printing, shipping, and customer support. Your job? Just promote your designs. The beauty of this model is its scalability. One viral design can bring in hundreds of dollars with no extra effort on your part. Plus, once you've created the design, it's essentially passive income waiting to happen. For example, imagine creating a funny meme-inspired t-shirt. Every time someone orders it, you earn a royalty without lifting a finger. If you enjoy photography or videography, or even just taking random photos with your phone, you can monetize that skill easily. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow you to sell your images or footage over and over again. Here's what makes this a lazy way to make money. Upload once, earn forever. No need to actively market your work. The platform does that for you. There's always demand for high-quality visuals across industries like marketing, publishing, and advertising. To maximize your earnings, focus on trending topics or seasonal themes. For instance, holiday-themed photos tend to sell well during specific times of the year. Bonus tip: don't underestimate the power of stock videos. Short clips of nature, cities, or abstract visuals often fetch higher prices than static images. Now here's an idea most people overlook: renting out assets you already own. In 2025, the sharing economy is bigger than ever, and there are tons of platforms making it easier than ever to cash in. Let's break it down. Rent your car. Services like Turo let you rent out your car when you're not using it. Some users report earning $500 to $1,000 per month doing this. List your space. Whether it's a spare room on Airbnb or parking space on Spacer, unused spaces can become cash cows. Lend gadgets. Got expensive equipment like cameras or gaming consoles? Websites like Fat Llama connect you with renters willing to pay top dollar. This method requires almost no effort beyond listing your item and maintaining it. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it approach. Finally, if you want quick cash without committing to long-term projects, consider microtasks and gig economy hacks. While these aren't entirely passive, they're super flexible and require minimal brainpower. Some options include completing surveys on Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars, transcribing audio files on Rev or Scribey, delivering groceries via Instacart, or driving for Uber or Lyft. Sure, these gigs might feel more active than others on this list, but they're great for supplementing your income. Plus, many apps offer bonuses for referring friends, which adds another layer of earnings potential. And there you have it, 5 lazy ways to make $100+ per day online in 2025. Remember, the key to success isn't necessarily working harder, it's working smarter. Start small, experiment with different methods, and scale what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Hustle 360 for more tips on making money online. Drop a comment below telling me which method you're excited to try first. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling smart, not hard. See ya!